So the process is called direct metal laser sintering, or DMLS. It's an additive manufacturing process that uses powdered aluminum, or any metal really that can be powdered, but we use aluminum. It puts down a very fine layer of that powder, about 30 microns, and then it actually comes in with a 400-watt laser and melts that powder at a cross-section of the part. The part then moves down a little bit, it gets recoated with powder, and that process continues over and over again until the part's complete. Once your part's done, it's actually in a vat of powder. That powder is removed, it can be cleaned and actually reused in a sieving process, and so not a lot of waste in the process. We can reuse a lot of what we put in the machine. We're at the forefront, cutting edge of it. We're actually getting told by the suppliers of the machine that we're pushing our machines beyond what they thought was possible, and we're doing things with our machine that no one else is doing right now. There's all sorts of things that a designer can now design, geometries, internal passages that were never thought possible, we can now pretty easily do. It's one of the coolest manufacturing processes I've seen, just from a purely visual standpoint. Just watching that and seeing the sparks and the laser actually melting the powder, it's just, in my opinion, one of the coolest manufacturing processes out there. I'm Wojtowicz. I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Northrop Grumman.